You've seen them wading in rivers, but did you know, hippos can actually swim? Despite spending most of their lives in water, hippos don't float or paddle. Instead, they push off the riverbed or nearby objects and sort of glide their way around like underwater tanks. They're not lightweights either. A full-grown hippo can weigh up to 3,000 kilograms, and they're loud too. Their grunts and snorts can hit 115 decibels, louder than a rock concert. And while they may look calm, hippos are among the most aggressive animals on Earth. Their massive tusks aren't just for show, they'll defend their space, even from humans. Yet somehow, even with no swimming skills, they can hold their breath underwater for up to 5 minutes. Now that's a heavyweight mystery of nature. Follow for more mind-blowing facts about animals you thought you understood.